Yo, what is up, my milkshakes? It's your boy Moo, and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm going nuts for my boy, Mr. Coconut. Now, Mr. Coconut here, well, he's in a bit of trouble. You see, Mr. Coconut has been making milk on his own. And is he making cow's milk? Wait, what is that, Mr. Coconut? He's not making cow's milk? Well, we gotta show Mr. Coconut a lesson. We have to show him that cow's milk is superior to his milk. So we are going to extract the milk and put it into the earth, as we must. So this is how you do it. First, you guys need a coconut. You got Mr. Coconut, he's our subject, our test subject. Next, we are going to need a mallet. This mallet is going to be used to crack the coconut. Additionally, we need a nail. This nail is going to be used to drain the juices from him, the milk from him, the fake milk from him. Okay, so I have pierced the coconut with a nail using my mallet. As you can see, I aimed for one of the eyes of the coconut. You see these little hole things? I aimed for one of them and pierced the coconut. Okay, now that I have pierced the coconut with my nail, we're gonna taste the milk. You know, we're gonna taste it. It should come out of here. You can hear it. You can hear it. See, it's got a lot of milk in it. You know, fake milk. Let's let a little pour out. Oh, a little drippy drip, drippy drippy drip. Let's taste some. Let's see if it's good. Disgusting. Disgusting. We're gonna let this go into the ground. This is disgusting. Oh my. Oh. Ugh. I'd rather drink my own pee than drink coconut milk. Oh my God, it's disgusting. Just look at it. Look at it drain out. So we're gonna do this for a bit, and then we're gonna crack this baby open, nice and easy. This coconut's so good. I'm gonna milk it so good. I'm milking this coconut so good right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm getting all the juices. I'm getting all the juices out. Okay. Now that we got most of the milk out, we're gonna teach this coconut a lesson. You know, he thinks he can just mess with cows, try to replace cows by making milk for the human masses. No. Mr. Coconut is gonna have to pay, so we're gonna feast on his meat. Yes. So to crack him open, I want you guys to take a bag, a nice plastic bag, and stuff him in it. Get in there, you coconut. You ain't escaping now. Okay, so we got our coconut in the plastic bag. And we also got a nice hard surface beneath our feet. You're gonna need both these things to crack the coconut. Ooh, look at those, looking nice. Anyways, we're gonna destroy the coconut. It's gonna be pretty simple, you know. Not too much, there's not much physics or anything here. We're just gonna plop it down nice and hard until it breaks. But first we gotta get hyped up, you know. I mean, this coconut has been, it thinks it's better than a cow. It thinks it can create milk superior to that of a cow. It thinks it can be in the supermarket and people would buy it. You think anyone would buy coconut milk? Unironically, the only reason I'd buy coconut milk is to put it in the sewer, put it in the trash can, because coconut milk doesn't have nearly as much calcium as regular milk, and it has a disgusting watery taste, as I've already shown in this video. So what we're gonna do now is take all our anger, years of cow. You know how many cows have died at the hands of this coconut? Too many to count. Too many hamburgers, too many ribs have gone because of this coconut, have been made because of this coconut. This coconut is responsible for the death of millions of cows. So with the power of the cow gods, 1,000 cow gods, I shall smite thee! There he is. Yeah, he's not escaping. He's not escaping. No. Yes, crack him right open. But this was just round one. We're not stopping here. He thought he could escape me. He was trying to make it into the woods. He thought he could escape me. That was only round 1, boy. Round 2 for ya! I got him now. Let's look at the damages, boys. For all the cows, for all our fallen comrades. We have destroyed this coconut. Now we have to clean the inside. We'll clean the inside and I'll get back to you, boys. Bon appetit. That's good. Nice glass of milk. Oh yeah. Delicious.